afternoon, everyone. We're at Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone today, celebrating the Windrush campaign. So all the art pieces you see behind me today are funded by the National Loteri, Race Council Cymru, and the National Wales Museum. And this is a panel of hundreds of people's stories talking about their journey to the UK from many different places in the Caribbean. But it's not just Caribbean Windrush elders as well. We also have elders who came from Commonwealth nations as well, who form part of the Windrush generation. And we've been so fortunate to have them for the last 2 weeks across all of our campuses.
As a student myself, I feel like it's really important for us to have these displays in college, for us to learn more about history, things that have happened in the past. I think it's really helpful and important for us students to have the access to this information, something that we maybe wouldn't have otherwise if we weren't here.
Windrush is all about securing a legacy and all about making sure that there is posterity for these people, but equally it's also about how interconnected we all are. Each one of these Windrush elders behind me that you're looking at will have a grandchild or perhaps a neighbour or perhaps a friend or family member who attends Coleg Gwent or who is an alumni to Coleg Gwent. So this is very significant to us as a college community.